This car's for the birds, literally. Hi, I'm Dan Cortopassi. Today I'm reviewing an HS scale Pullman-Standard 4750 cubic foot covered hopper from Tangent. My car is decorated for Foster Farms. The MSRP for this model is $67.95. I got my car for $64.50 from Lombard Hobbies. We'll start the model at 100 possible points. The car comes in a cardboard box with a clear plastic window on top. Inside, a plastic cradle protects the model. The car is wrapped in a clear plastic film to protect the finish. Inside the box, there's a small plastic bag with spare end caps for the axles. This is a good box that should protect the model for storage and transport. Foster Farms is a poultry company based in California. As far as I know, they're not in the grain business. I assume that their fleet of covered hoppers was used to deliver feed for chickens and turkeys. If anyone has better information on that, please let me know in the comments. Foster Farms took delivery of 75 Pullman-Standard 4750 cubic foot covered hoppers in 1980. According to the Tangent website, the official color was called Tea and Cream, and the lettering color was Devil's Food. I wasn't able to find a lot of photos of these cars. I only found 2 photos online, including one on the Tangent website. I also have a slide that shows a partial view of 2 of these cars, photographer unknown. The apparent color in the photos varies with the lighting and the quality of the photo. The paint on the car matches one of the 3 pretty closely. My slide is a little bit washed out, so it doesn't quite match the model. As far as I can tell, the model's details are spot on. The paint on the car is opaque and thin enough not to obscure fine details. The markings are crisp and free of voids. All the tiny writing is legible. It may take magnification to see it. The sides have a lot of separately applied details, including wire rungs on the end ladders and delicate-looking stirrup steps. The trucks have rotating axle end caps. On the ends, the car has more wire grab irons and photo-etched crossover platforms. Lower down, there are uncoupling levers and hoses. The B end has a nicely done brake wheel and brake system detail inside the end cage. Underneath, the car has nice detail around the discharge gates. The metal wheels have the common RP25 tread profile. The car has KD scale couplers on both ends. Looking for a match on the horizontal center line, the coupler on the A end is at the correct height. The coupler on the B end is also correct. All the wheels are engaged according to the NMRA standards gauge. There is no significant body wobble. The car weighs 5.5 ounces over the 4.75 ounce NMRA recommended weight for a car of this length. Personally, I like a little extra weight as I think it helps the cars to stay on the track better. The model is free rolling. The car had no trouble on Kato 550mm curves, which are equivalent to a 21 5/8 inch radius. There's no rip track segment in this review because this car needed nothing, which is a really pleasant surprise. I've actually had several perfect scores in the last couple of months, and that's really nice to see. You know, I wish they were all perfect scores. And one thing I really like about this car too is that it comes with KD scale couplers on it, so I didn't even have to change the couplers. That's really nice. I really like it that Tangent does that. It's a really nice model. I don't really need more freight cars at this point, but I got this one because it's kind of a local interest car. Foster Farms was out in California's Central Valley, so that made it interesting to me. It is a little pricey, I know. I'm sure I'll get some comments on that. And that's why I only bought one of them. Also the fact that I have close to 200 covered hoppers already, and I really don't need more of them. Just one, but I really wanted to see what this car was like. So I'm glad I bought it. I think it's really neat. Let's see what we've got. No deductions. This car gets a perfect 100-point score and earns an A+. This is a very nice model and it deserves a green signal. I think Tangent did an excellent job on this car. If you're looking for an HS scale covered hopper, then I think you might like it. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.